Hi everyone, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's session, we are going to discuss about flowchart and algorithm concept with an example. Nowadays, YouTube and TikTok are trending on social media. Likewise, in the programming language, both algorithm and flowchart play an important role to write a program. So let's see what is algorithm, what is the flowchart, and examples regarding algorithm and flowchart. What is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure where we define the solution of the problem in different number of steps in simple English. And remember one thing, algorithm can use in any programming language, or you can say program independent. What is the flowchart? Flowchart is a graphical representation on the algorithm only, where everything is drawn in the diagram using some set of rules and regulation. So because we represent everything in the form of diagram, or we can say graphical representation, it makes it easy to understand the logic of problem solving. Initiative to solve the problem. That algorithm. Step-by-step process we need to convert into diagrammatical representation. That is what we call flowchart. So here flowchart means simply the graphical representation of an algorithm. Here what are the symbols we are using in flowchart? Let's see. First, to represent a starting point and ending point, we can say more technically terminal. Terminal represented rounded rectangle, or some we can use as oval also. Anything we can use. It is representing terminal. Start and end it will represent in the flowchart. And next one, it is representing that flow line. This is what we call arrow. Left to right, top to bottom. So what is the flow? Flow works for representing flow line. Third, for decision we use diamond. In that one condition is given. If the condition is true, first statement will print. If the condition is false, else statement will print. Fourth, in case any input or output, if you want to take the input or you want to present the output, the step we are representing here parallel diagram for initializing, declaring, read and print the information. Process box. Want to process the information? Data processing is required. We are using rectangle. Rectangle are used for processing or operation performed in our process box. Predefined process. In that module or sub program is defined. Actually whole work of that program will defined in predefined process. Connector. Connector are divided into two parts. On page, off page. On page is continue in one page only and off page is used for another page. For reading or writing document, we use document. Annotation means comment. In program, you like comment. Likewise, in flowchart, you use annotation. In simple English, you can write the statement or meaning of that specific shape is called annotation. So these are the 9 main major symbols we are using in a representing of flowchart. First, represent start and end. Second, flow line, represent the flow. Third, decision box, represent the condition. Fourth, input output box. Here in case of any input or output statement, we are representing parallel boxes. Process box is used for rectangle form and is used for operation performing. Predefined box is for module or sub-processing. Container, connector. Connector is used for on page and off page. On page in on one page only and off page another page. For writing any document, read any document, we use this symbol. Annotation is used for comment. Now we see how to write flow in simple problem. For addition of two number, here are the steps we have already written. See the algorithm. First step, start. Second, read, initialize or declare the variable. Third, operation perform in third variable. Fourth, print the statement or value which the operation perform. Fifth, stop the process. The same thing what we are representing with the flow. The first, terminal, start, we are representing like this, and second, initialize, declare or read the variables. Third, operation perform, C equals to A plus B. Fourth, print a statement or operation. Fifth, stop the process. So these are the algorithm and flowchart. After that, we can execute the program. Now let's execute the program. Program can execute in two ways, predefined and user defined. In predefined, value itself in program, and user defined, user put the value. In this program, I am taking from the user value. Hash include studio.h, int of main, that's why return 0. Int data type a, b, c, three variables. After that, print the variable. Enter the value of a by user, that's why scanf. Mod d in double quotation, address end of a. After that, enter the value of b, scanf by user value of b. Operation perform, c equals to a plus b. Print a statement, print the operation c. Compile the program, no error. Run the program. By user, we put the value of a, b. Here 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Output of addition of two number. Now let's see another example. Find the two variable which is greatest. First, algorithm. Start, read the variable a and b. Third step, print or condition given. If a is greater than b, then print a is large, else print b is large. Fourth, stop the process. The same thing that we are representing with the flowchart. First, terminal, start. Second, read variable a and b. Third, condition is given. If the condition is true, first statement is print. If the condition is false, else statement print. After that, fourth statement, stop. Now let's see the program. How we execute this program after algorithm and flowchart. In this program, find the greatest of two number. Hash include studio.h, int of main, int a, b. Two variables are initialized. Printf, entered value of a and b by user, that's why scanf, mod d, double quotation, comma, end of a, comma, end of b. For user, we put the value, that's why you use scanf. If condition is given, a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, a is large, is print. Else, b is large, printed. Compile the program. No error. Run the program. By user, we put the value. A value is 4 and b value is 8. 4 is greater than 8? Not. That's why else statement is print. B is large. That is 8 is large. Output is given. So these are the algorithm, flowchart and program. So here algorithm means using a natural language, step by step representing of your solution to a particular problem. Flowchart means what? Same algorithm representing diagrammatical, so that what we call flowchart. So hope you understood, guys. If you have any queries, question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, click on like button. For other topic, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video.